Swami actually chose to give this rarest of gifts to the students and to the whole world, of course, where he reveals, he talks about himself. And the discourse that followed, see, in the Padyam, Swami beautifully says, he describes himself. He describes all his attributes, how he looks from outside. He describes the hair, the smile, the robe, the feet, and all that beauty. But he says, this is not enough to know who I am. This is not enough to know who I am. And then he elaborates the same thing in the discourse. In fact, there are very beautiful subtle truths that Swami brings out. I've just made notes of a few points which I thought I should bring to notice. Swami says that, man's quest, as we discussed, has always been external. See, you're trying to find God from an external path. And he says that is like finding out the texture of the skin, charma. It's like charma, you're trying to find the texture of a skin of a leather bag. But he says you should follow the path of sarma, which is bliss, which is ananda. That is the inward path. He says, not charma, you should follow sarma. That is one point. And then Swami says, he explains why he had to speak about himself. So in the discourse, he says, today, I want to tell you why I am going to speak about myself. And he makes a very beautiful statement, I quote. He says, there is no use telling people who refuse to know. There is no use telling people who refuse to know. For people who know, there is no need to tell. Isn't that beautiful? But for people who know and yet do not know, it becomes necessary to present with what I call my visiting cards. So Swami is telling that all my miracles are my visiting cards. Me telling you about myself is a visiting card, because this forms the drashtum aspect. Gyatum, you have come to me, you are seeking. Drashtum, I am telling you what it is.
And many times we think that having received the visiting card, we know Swami.
Exactly.
It is as foolish as thinking that if I get a visiting card, I know the person. That is just an invitation, a basic info.
In fact, that's the point Swami says next. He says, I feel like laughing that even the greatest intellectuals amongst you are enamored and fascinated only by this tiniest of my aspects. He says it is like a mosquito sitting on an elephant. Like a mosquito sitting on an elephant which is of no consequence.
The miracles.
The miracles is like a mosquito sitting on me. And then he says like a mosquito sitting on an elephant which is of no consequence. He says people are carried away by these and they forget the most sacred quality in me, which is prema. And he says prema, 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 that is what I am. That is the greatest wealth that I've got to offer. And he says through this prema you can easily attain me. And he says this prema you